Welcome, viewers. Many English learners get confused with a, an, the, and the. You learn simple rules, common mistakes, and pronunciation tips. Let's make it easy and clear. Let's start with a. A is used before consonant sounds. An is used before vowel sounds. Here are some examples. Example, a dog, followed by a consonant, a banana, again, followed by a consonant. What about this one? Do you think this one here, this word, university, is it a or an? Well, this one is a university, and you must be asking yourself why doesn't an is used before vowels? Well, you have to be careful with this word because university is followed by the sound like you. So it's not just about spelling, but also you need to focus on the sound. Here are more examples. Example, an apple, followed by a vowel, an hour, because the letter H is silent, so we will use an hour. Here's another example, an egg. So these are examples, and that's how we use a and an. So focus on the sound, not just spelling. Now, use the or the when the listener knows what you're talking about. It works with any noun in using it with a singular noun or a plural noun. And singular means only one, plural means two or more. Here are some examples. I saw a dog. The dog barked. So, as you see, we use the. We're letting the listener know what we're talking about. Here's another example. The sun, the moon, the teacher at our school. Now let's talk about the and the. A lot of students get confused using the and the and don't really know when to change the sound of this word because they have the same spelling but they can be pronounced differently. So let's talk about that. The. We use the plus a consonant plus a consonant sound. So we use the sound the. It sounds like this. And we use V plus vowel sounds or vowel sound. And it sounds like this V. So they are different. They have different sounds depending if it's a cons followed by a consonant or a vowel sound. Now, here are some examples. book. Are we using the or the? So this is a consonant, so we will use the. Here's another example. Table. Is it the table or the table? It's the table. What about this word apple? Is it the apple or the apple? It's the apple. Here is the vowel. And what about this one? Um, umbrella. Is it the umbrella or the umbrella? Well, it's the umbrella. Here's a tip. You don't have to stress over the and the, but using the correct sound before vowels or consonants make you sound more natural in American English. These are words that break the spelling rule. A university, because you sound has a consonant sound. This one, an honest man. The H, the H is silent, so it has a vowel sound. That's why we use an. And European, European country. Once again, the U sound, which is consonant sound, and our, where the letter H is silent, and we hear a vowel sound, and a user, which has a U sound. So it's about pronunciation, not just letters. Now, here's an interactive quiz. Try to test your knowledge. Choose the best answer. We have a or an. Elephant. What's the answer? Well, it's an elephant. A or an hour. Is it a hour or an hour? Well, it's an because the H is silent, so it follows a vowel sound after it. A or an university. What's the answer? It's a university. What about this one? Is it the or is it a moon? Well, in this case, best option is the. What about this other one? The or is it a car we bought? The best choice would be the car we bought because you want the listener to know what you're talking about in a specific way. What about this one? Is it the or is it a egg? Well, it's this one, but remember it's followed by a vowel sound, so this word here changes to the egg. Now let's do a little recap. Ah, when do you use a? Well, you use and before consonant sounds. Before consonant sounds. What about an? When do you use an? You use an before vowel sounds. What about this one here? When do we use the or the? We use this specific word, well, for specific things when we want the listener to know what we're talking about. And remember, this has two sounds. The, one is followed by a consonant sound, and the, one is followed by a vowel sound. Say the word out loud. Listen to the sound at the start. That's the secret to choosing the right article. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.